Hello! In front of me I have Haylou RS4 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this device. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. If you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, try not to move too much. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Okay, now let's continue with the measurement. So, first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch. And you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the menu. And in the menu, you should see the heart rate icon. This is the one that looks like heart. Okay, so let's tap on this icon, and your watch should start measuring the heart rate automatically. And here we have it. The number will jump around because it's measuring the heart rate in real time. But once it stabilizes, it should be your current heart rate. Also, you can check the heart rate, or rather the highest heart rate right here and the lowest one right here. You can also swipe up on the screen to check the resting heart rate, and also the heart rate during the whole day. You have whole graph right here. And once you're done measuring your heart rate, you can press the side button to go back, like this. You can also open the heart rate widget by simply swiping left on the screen, on the home page, on the home screen, to scroll through the widgets and find the heart rate widget right here. Okay, and that's how you measure the heart rate on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.